Here at the 2013 National Farm Machinery Show, I'm visiting with Russ Moorman with Ag Leader Technology, one of our sponsors here, and thank you very much, Russ, for that support. We've got some exciting stuff going on with Ag Leader that's on display for farmers coming out. Tell me about one of those things here.
Absolutely. One of the many new things we're talking about here this week is our Intellislope tile plow control through our Integra display, where we're actually able to go out with an RTK receiver, survey where we want to put in tile, and then actually through a pitch tile plow, such as like a Soil Max tile plow, we can actually use the Integra to control the grade of the tile down to an inch. So you don't need to worry about having lasers where you've got to move the lasers. You don't have to worry about trying to calculate grade. The Integra will actually take care of all that for you and let you know that you're doing it right.
Well, so give us a little demonstration here.
All right. What I've got set up here, Chuck, is I've got the monitor set up ready to survey. So when I'm ready to get out and do my survey for my tile line, I'm going to hit Start Survey. I'm going to start driving across the field. And you can see as it surveys, it actually gives you distance and elevation, as well as the readouts over here on the right that gives you your total rise, your elevation, your average grade, so that it maps all that. And with the RTK receiver, we know that our elevation is going to be super accurate. So what you would do, like I said, is you would drive the path that you want to install on, and however long that might be. So then when I was finished doing that survey, I would go ahead and I would hit Stop Survey. It's going to ask me to confirm, and I hit yes, and I'm going to stop my tractor. Now, we've finished doing our survey, so we're going to go in here, we're going to change into install mode. And from here, it's going to ask us, if I had 6 or 7 different surveys, it's going to ask me which one I want to use, but I only have the one. Now, it's going to ask us a couple of simple questions. The first thing it's going to ask us is, what type of tile is this? For this demonstration, this will be a main. And then it's going to ask us what type of product it is. Now, we've already put in a few of these here. For this demonstration, we use 8-inch tile. Then it's going to ask us our minimum grade, our minimum depth, maximum depth, and target depth. If there's any conflict between those, it will actually give you a warning so that you know before you even start doing an install that the calculations aren't going to work for the parameters you've set. So from there, we're ready to go ahead and do our install. So all I have to do is drop my plow on the ground. It knows when I've got that in the ground, and I can start moving here. And then we start doing our install. So it will actually control the tile plow automatically based on the survey that we've created. So that's kind of a simple and quick and dirty tile plow install.
Well, we're out plowing in the dirt, so it would be dirty, right?
That's correct. That's correct.
So this system product right now is available, and if somebody is going to go out and use it, talk about how kind of the learning curve for this. I mean, I know it looks simple when you're showing us here, but learning, and I know that Ag Leader does a lot in the area of support and training.
Absolutely. We have a whole training facility so that our local dealers are trained up and able to show their customers how to use the equipment, as well as we actually do regional trainings for our customers where we actually show them how to use it as well. So it's something that we do take a lot of time and a lot of money invested in to make sure guys are able to use the equipment the best that they can.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Russ Moorman, visiting with me here. We're at a very busy opening day at National Farm Machinery Show, talking about Intellislope. I'm Chuck Zimmerman reporting.